What's good, y'all? It's your boy Eli, back at it again with another short, I don't know what you want to call it, tutorial, or it's my new page. Subscribe, like, share, please. Reviviendo los Macs. Basically what I'm trying to do here is show you how we install Saquoia on a Mac Mini 2012, 16 gigabyte RAM, 500 SSD Evo. Started this project last night, and we did it. Shout out to Mr. McIntosh for inspiring me, you know, and everybody out there, OPENCORE, doing their thing. Soon coming at 2011 MacBook Pro, you see it. We're gonna start. If all this works, we're gonna jump on that one. We even got a Frankenstein under that one that we can try to work with. Yeah, man, we're new to here. Blessings to all. Basically what we're trying to do here is just show y'all how we could revive old Macs, dying Macs, basically how everybody calls it out there, and bring them back to life. Install some updates and softwares that's compatible now through OPENCORE, you know. So appreciate your time, appreciate you coming in and looking at my video. Mi gente, to my Latinos, suscríbete, denle like, compartan el canal, mi gente, aquí enseñándole a ustedes lo que es instalando cualquier versión de macOS en una computadora que no soporta los updates o cualquier macOS, sea High Sierra, Monterrey, Big Sur, Ventura, por ahí para abajo, tú lo sabes. Nada, estamos aquí para enseñarle a ustedes poquito a poco y aprender juntos como ustedes. So basically what we try to do is learn and show y'all. We learn it all. Look, boom, Saquoia. See the trees. Shout out to Mr. McIntosh again, like I said, and everybody out there working hard to give us these updates, man. Appreciate it. For real, from the bottom. I'm new to the community, new to the Mac. Well, I'm not new to the Mac, but working on them now, you know. So yeah, it's loading. Let's see how it handles it. Bam, we got Saquoia and a Mac Mini, late 2012. Beautiful. Oh yeah, you see me patiently. I'm looking for that white screen. I'm a little scared. No white screen. Yes, sir. If you install everything right and follow Mr. Max, he got a little tutorial on this page too, how to install the kernels and the other drivers you need. You see it right there, boom. Saquoia, but which Saquoia we running? 15.7, thumbs up. Yes, sir, Mac Mini. We're still rolling in 2025. Alright, mi gente. Like I said, I appreciate your time coming in, stopping by, watching my video. Hit that like button, subscribe, come back for more content. We're gonna try to keep them rolling. For now, we just got this one. Big update. Saquoia 15.7. Update at your own risk. You know what I mean? So, nah, man, mi gente, bendiciones, peace to everybody, have a blessed night, and come back for more. You already know, it's your boy from Puerto Rico, reviviendo los Macs, your boy Eli. We out.